Understanding the final stage of drug development. Imagine a new drug. It shows promise in the lab. It passes rigorous testing in clinical trials. It receives approval from regulatory bodies. This journey, from scientific discovery to your medicine cabinet, culminates in Phase 4 clinical trials. Phase 4 trials represent the final stage of drug development. They occur after a drug has been approved for market use. These trials are also known as post-marketing surveillance studies. They provide valuable data on the drug's long-term effects and effectiveness. These trials are crucial for several reasons. They help us understand how a drug performs in a real-world setting. They involve a larger and more diverse patient population than earlier trial phases. This allows researchers to identify rare side effects that may not have been observed in earlier trials. Phase 4. Trials serve a critical purpose in the drug development process. They bridge the gap between clinical research and real-world use. While earlier phases focus on establishing a drug's safety and efficacy in a controlled environment, Phase 4 trials evaluate its performance in a broader context. The primary objective of these trials is to monitor the drug's long-term safety and effectiveness. This includes identifying potential adverse events, drug interactions, and optimal dosage regimens. These trials also help determine the drug's impact on patients' quality of life and assess its cost-effectiveness. Phase 4 trials often involve collecting data on a drug's use in specific populations. This could include pregnant women, children, or elderly patients. This information is essential for tailoring treatment strategies and ensuring the drug's safe and effective use in diverse patient groups. To fully grasp the significance of Phase 4 trials, it's essential to understand how they differ from earlier phases. Phase 1, 2, and 3 trials are conducted before a drug is approved for market release. They involve a smaller number of patients and have a more controlled environment. Phase 4 trials occur after the drug is available to the public. They involve a larger and more diverse patient population, often reflecting real-world conditions. Section 4. Real-world evidence. The power of long-term observation. One of the most valuable aspects of Phase 4 trials is their ability to generate real-world evidence. This refers to data collected outside the confines of traditional clinical trials, reflecting how a drug is used in everyday clinical practice. This data can provide insights into a drug's effectiveness in different populations, long-term safety profiles, and potential benefits or risks not observed in earlier trials. Real-world evidence complements the findings of pre-marketing trials and helps healthcare providers make more informed decisions about patient care. Real-world evidence is particularly important for understanding how a drug interacts with other medications, comorbidities, and lifestyle factors. This information helps healthcare professionals personalize treatment plans and optimize patient outcomes. Section 5. A case study. The importance of post-market surveillance. A compelling example of the importance of Phase 4 trials is the case of Vioxx, a pain relief medication. Vioxx was approved for market use in 1999, based on promising results from earlier clinical trials. However, post-marketing surveillance revealed an increased risk of heart attacks and strokes among patients taking the drug. This discovery led to further investigation and ultimately the withdrawal of Vioxx from the market in 2004. The Vioxx case highlights the crucial role of Phase 4 trials in identifying unforeseen risks and ensuring patient safety. This case underscores the importance of continuous monitoring even after a drug is deemed safe and effective. It demonstrates that real-world use can reveal critical information not captured in earlier phases of clinical research. Phase 4. Trials. Guardians of public health. They monitor the effectiveness and safety of medications available to the public. This helps healthcare providers make informed decisions and ensures patients receive the best care. Phase 4 trials identify rare side effects, drug interactions, and long-term consequences. They provide insights into real-world drug performance, bridging clinical research and practice. These trials advance medical knowledge and ensure public health safety,